Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your zero balance tokens on the MetaMask wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet app on your device and proceed with logging in using your biometrics. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the wallet page. Now you can check all of your tokens as well as the NFTs right from within your homepage. Now if you wish to hide tokens that do not have any balance, then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on General. Now within the General settings, just scroll down and underneath the search engine section, you will see the Hide Tokens button. Just tap on this toggle to enable it, and now this will hide all of those tokens from your account which don't have any balance. You can change this setting at any point of time by going back to the gear icon and turning the toggle off once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your zero balance tokens on the MetaMask wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.